Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so today the stock market had a little bit of a bad day. You can take a look at my Tesla video I did today to where I look at the VIX, the bond yield, and Dow Jones, and other indices to see what happens. So this gives a nice little context. So Palantir, we closed down 31 cents at 2.24%. We closed at 13.56. Post-market, we are down 2 cents. So let's look at what we have here. We had a nice little, we were making higher lows. We still made a higher low. We still made a higher high, but we were squished down during the day. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So first candle of the day, nice move up, maintain ourselves for 3 hours, then red candle, and then boom, we came back down. We are still above 60. Tesla did pretty much the same thing, but Tesla went below 60. So yeah, you can look at my Tesla video to try to understand why. Let's look at our indicators. RSI is still climbing. That's the good news. MACD is still bullish. That's the good news. Stochastic came down a little bit. We want it at 60 when we break this resistance. We are still above support. Palantir has been impacted less than Tesla today. This is the good news. But we are not out of the woods yet. Let's hope that tomorrow is going to be a better day for the stock market as a whole. And let's not forget, February 17th, things might be happening at that point. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, become a YouTube member. This is encouraging me to keep doing these videos. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this tool and save some money doing it. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.